Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is my second Amazon Prime wardrobe unbagging, it's in a bag, unboxing and try on video. So I know I just did my first one not long ago, but I ended up keeping a swimsuit, loved it, wore it on my anniversary, trip for the day. We had dinner, we went swimming all day. It was amazing. But I didn't think that Amazon would let me order a second Prime wardrobe box before getting my first one, but they did. So I ended up sending those things that I didn't want back. So I did have a tracking number for the package going back to Amazon, but they hadn't received it yet, and I was able to place another order for Amazon Prime. So I won't explain all of my issues with Amazon Prime. I'll link my first video down below and you can watch that. But with this video, I ended up going in and doing the same filters and sections and all that stuff, but I chose prices lowest to highest. That way I could get more bang for my buck, because Amazon does put a limit on the number of items or the monetary amount of those items that they send to you. As always, everything I try on in this video will be linked in the description box down below. That way if you see something you like and you want it, you can get it there. I'll also leave my measurements. I mentioned this a couple videos ago, but I get a lot of questions about my measurements, so they're always down there in a clothing try on video. That way you can kind of compare what size I get to my measurements and compare that to you. So now that that's out of the way, let's get started. First thing I ordered is a pair of bike shorts. So I have a really cute pair from Aerie that I've worn a couple times with just like a big oversized t-shirt, and I really like the look. It's so comfortable for summertime. So when I spotted these, I thought, let's try them, let's give them a go. These are the Just My Size brand in a size 2X. Just My Size, if I'm pretty sure, is a Walmart brand. Though I haven't seen it at Walmart in a while, I know that Walmart used to carry this brand, heavily carry this brand. While I like the idea of these shorts, they're a charcoal color, even though they call them black. They were $7.99, size 2X. They're a little bit big. I would just prefer them a little bit more snug. So that's just me. I like them. For $7.99, that's a great deal. So if I do decide to keep these, I wonder if I can exchange them. I need to look at that process and see if I can, or if I just have to send them back and order the correct size in my next box, which I could very well do. So the next thing that I grabbed is this really pretty Calvin Klein black oversized top. I grabbed this one in a size 3X. It does have these like 3/4 length sleeves. I always get that wrong and I get comments. But I really like this. I thought that this would be really good for a beach cover-up. However, I guess because I am a little bit tall, it's not really long enough. I wouldn't wear this on like an everyday basis, because it's just that material that feels like, you know those like fishing shirts? That's what it reminds me of. That material of those like Magellan fishing shirts. All right, so for your reference, it is 100% polyester. So this is called the plus size roll sleeve tunic, size 3X, $79.50. Now let's talk about these like white sweatpant material, denim looking bottoms. So they are elastic in the waist. The brand is Hue, H-U-E. I got them in a size 3X, which equals a 24-26 in the US. So in my opinion, they do run a little bit small. But what I liked about these was that they look like jeans. Like they've got all the pieces that would make you think that these were jeans. The back pockets, they've got pockets on the front, but they're elastic in the waist, elastic-ish with a tie. And then they do have a little bit of a cuff at the bottom. So I thought that this could be a great alternative if you didn't want to wear actual denim. Then you could wear these. Let's see how much they are though. They are $35.91. So I don't know if I would keep them. Y'all know I've got a pair of white denim from Walmart. I want to say I paid like 12 or 13 bucks for, and they're the same idea. They're just actual denim. So these are soft and more comfortable, yes, but keep that in mind that you can probably get a pair a lot cheaper somewhere else. Now let's talk about these bottoms. I initially thought, okay, I didn't think that they were elastic, like spandex. I thought they were actual pants that buttoned and zipped. So these are the brand Lysse, L-Y-S-S-E, in a size 3X. But they're this super cute, like cropped, look at that bottom. They're like wide leg cropped pants. And that is adorable. How cute would that be for like the office with some little heels or something? The only thing I don't like and that wouldn't work for me is there's no pockets. And it is that like elastic material. I think it just looks better on my body to have something a little bit more structured. But they are really soft and they're really comfortable and they feel good. Just the no pockets and them being spandex doesn't really work for me and my like job and my life every day. But these are really pretty. How? They're $98. They're $98. So we're going to just fold these very nicely and just put them back. And the very last thing in my box, I was able to get 5 things in this box, I think, because I did start at the bottom and work up in price range. It's that same brand, that LYSSE brand, but it's this really pretty shirt I thought would be nice for work. I like this like ruffled detail on it, but it's that same like slinky type material, which in my opinion is a little bit clingy and I don't really like that. Let's see what the fabric is. It is 95% viscose and 5% elastane. So yeah, it is a little bit more of a stretchy, clingy type material shirt, but it is really pretty and it is really nice for work. I'm assuming the price is pretty high based on the pants that I just showed you. But this one fit pretty well too. I think this was it's in a size 2X. So this one is $78. So now that you've seen everything in the box, I think the only thing that I really care for, that I like, are those bike shorts, but they're a little bit big. So I'll probably send everything back and just request those bike shorts in a size smaller. The next time that we do this, if you like these kinds of videos with Amazon Prime wardrobe, let me know in the comment section down below or give this video a thumbs up and we can most certainly keep it going. Y'all seem to really like the first one. However, I think the first one was more of a hit in my opinion, even though I didn't get as many things. That swimsuit that I found, I absolutely love it. So we can do this again. Let me know if you want to in the comment section down below. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.